video we are going to learn about SQL constraints. Specifically we will learn about not null. So by default a column can hold null values. The not null constraint enforces a column to not accept all null values. Right, it means if you are declaring a column as not null, so you can't remain blank whenever you are trying to inserting data. This enforces a field to always contain a value, which means that you cannot insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to this field. Specifically, we declare the constraints when we are creating table. You can see this is a code for creating a table, name employee, and you can see employee ID. I have declared the constraints as not null. Okay, and also last name not null, first name I'm just removing it, so it should remain without any constraints. Okay, so it means you can't remain blank while you are inserting data, employee ID and last name. Okay, this means this cell and this cell cannot be blank while you are trying to insert data in this row. So let's see practically. First, just copy the code, and you will also get the code in the description. Okay, now just run the query. Now I will show you one thing. Just run this code and you will able to see the total structure of this table. You can see employee ID is null. Null no means it means not null. It means you can't remain blank. Okay, this cell or this column while you are trying to inserting the data. Okay, but you can remain blank if you want. The first name is okay. So I'm giving you a live example. Suppose you are trying to create a Facebook account and you can see that some field in the form, okay, you can see some field are marking as star. So that means you need to fill those field. So basically in the backend it is described or it is declared as not null. Now we will try to insert data. First into for column name, column name is employee ID, last name and first name and is. Okay, so we will try to insert data. this column. Employee ID should be numeric. Last name, suppose same, comma, first name Ramesh and is 30. If you run this code, it will insert data into the table employee. Okay, so let's see. You can see the row has been inserted. Now I will show you the table. So just use star one row has been added in this table. Okay, Sen Ramesh is 30. Now we will see if we are not giving or if we are not inserting any value for the not null declared column, just like employee ID and last name, we will get an error. Okay, see the error while you trying to run this code, and you will get field employee ID does not have a default value. It means you cannot remain blank this column. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos and more updates on SQL, Excel and VB. Thanks for watching.